Hello, welcome to Islamology. This is the first video. My name is Shafiq. I'll be Shafiq Nazrin. You may just call me Shazrin. And I will be teaching you about Islam. First, I will teach you about the 6 pillars of Iman and the 5 pillars of Islam. Iman basically translates to faith, so let me begin with that. So to be a Muslim, you need to have the Rukun Iman, the Rukun Islam. Rukun Iman is basically translated to 6 pillars of faith. Six pillars of faith. And what are these 6 pillars? These 6 pillars are basically first of all, you need to have faith in Allah. Faith in Allah, the one God. That's what Allah in Arabic means, the one God. That's the first one. The second would be faith in the Malaikat. Malaikat basically translate to angels. So you need to have faith in angels to be a true Muslim. The third one is faith in the holy books. I'll just write books for short. Faith in the holy books. So in Islam, there are 4 holy books. There's the Al-Quran, first and foremost, that you all know and heard of. There's the Torah, the Injil, and the Zabur. We'll get to that later. Fourth one is faith in the Rasul. The Rasul, translated to English, means the primary prophets. So in English, prophets are translated actually into Nabi, but the main prophets that we must really know about are the Rasul. And fifth is faith in the apocalypse. And what does it mean by that is that we must believe that this world will end one day. We don't know when, but it will end. And when the world ends, judgment will come. And that's when you're decided where you will be heading to, heaven or hell. And lastly, 6 is faith in Qada and Qadar. Sorry about the writing. I'm trying my best. Let me write that again. Qadar. That's an R. So Qada and Qadar. What does Qada and Qadar mean? It means the destiny, the fate of someone, and the completion of the fate of someone. Qadar means fate or destiny, and Qada means the execution of destiny. Now, those are the 6 pillars of faith. Now we get to the 5 pillars of Islam. So, 5 pillars of Islam. So there are 5 pillars of Islam. The first one is the saying of the kalimah shahada. Saying the 2 kalimah shahada. That's a H. Yeah, kalimah shahada. So what are the 2 kalimah shahada? It's Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadar Rasulullah. Basically means I bear witness that there is no God but Allah, and I bear witness that Muhammad is the Prophet of Allah. Kalimah means, kalimah here, it means, in Arabic, it means words, and shahada here means declaration of faith or witnessing. So those are words of witness. The second is to pray 5 times a day. Pray 5 times a day. So you have to pray Subuh, Zuhur, Asar, Maghrib, Isha 5 times a day. The third pillar is fasting in the month of Ramadan. So you have to fast for a whole month in Ramadan as a Muslim. The fourth is to pay zakat. What is zakat? Zakat is basically a mandatory donation. Yes, it is a donation, but it is mandatory if you're a Muslim. The point of zakat is for you to give out your money, to give it to someone who is of more in need. So if you're the one who is in need of money, you don't have to pay zakat. But if you have more than enough money, you have to pay zakat to give it to people who are in need. And lastly, the fifth one is to do Hajj. So as a Muslim, you must, if you are able, if you are capable, if you have the financial means, if you are healthy, if you have all the sufficient characteristics, then you must do Hajj, which is basically the pilgrimage to Makkah. And if you do that, it is then if you do all of the 5 of these, then you're a Muslim. There's no question about it. That's basically it. So that ends the video for today. Thanks for listening, and like and subscribe, recommend it to people, and tell me what I could improve better. I know it's not that good of a video, but I'll try better. Thank you.